Remember the Nokia tune? The iconic ringtone that echoed through streets and classrooms? Those were the days when Nokia reigned supreme. From the indestructible Nokia 3310 to the sleek, stylish flip phones, Nokia was synonymous with mobile connection. It was a brand etched in our hearts, a symbol of innovation and reliability. Every phone held a story, every text message a memory. Nokia wasn't just connecting people, it was weaving itself into the fabric of our lives. The Finnish company had captured the world's imagination. Their phones were everywhere, a testament to their user-friendly design and robust build. Nokia held the top spot, a giant in the mobile phone industry. It felt like nothing could shake its dominance. Little did we know, a storm was brewing on the horizon. The world was about to change, and Nokia, like a ship caught in a sudden squall, would have to navigate treacherous waters to stay afloat. The year was 2007. A sleek, revolutionary device was unveiled, forever altering the course of the mobile phone industry. The iPhone, with its intuitive touchscreen and app-based ecosystem, was unlike anything the world had ever seen. It wasn't just a phone, it was a pocket computer, a gateway to a connected world. The ground beneath Nokia's feet began to tremble. Initially, the threat seemed minimal. Nokia had a loyal customer base and a proven track record. But the tremors intensified. Android emerged, offering an open-source alternative to Apple's iOS. The smartphone revolution had begun, and Nokia, clinging to its Symbian operating system, seemed slow to react. The once mighty giant was facing a new era, one that demanded agility and innovation. The writing was on the wall. Consumers were captivated by the allure of smartphones, their sleek designs, and endless possibilities. Nokia's once reliable Symbian OS felt clunky and outdated in comparison. The company that had once defined mobile innovation seemed stuck in the past. Its market share, once an enviable 40%, began to dwindle. The financial repercussions were swift and brutal. Billion-dollar losses mounted, and the company that once seemed invincible was teetering on the brink. A partnership with Microsoft in 2011 offered a glimmer of hope, but it wasn't enough to stem the tide. Nokia's mobile phone division was sold to Microsoft in 2014, marking a poignant end to an era. The king had fallen, but as we know, every ending is a new beginning. A new dawn embracing the 5G future. Amidst the ashes of its mobile phone business, a spark of resilience ignited within Nokia. The company, known for its technological prowess, shifted its focus to a new frontier, 5G infrastructure. This wasn't just a strategic pivot, it was a lifeline. Nokia, with its deep understanding of telecommunications, was uniquely positioned to capitalize on the burgeoning 5G market. The gamble paid off. Nokia's expertise in network infrastructure proved invaluable in a world hungry for faster, more reliable connectivity. The company secured lucrative contracts, its name once again synonymous with cutting-edge technology. But Nokia wasn't content with just being a behind-the-scenes player. It was time for a comeback, a triumphant return to the consumer market. Nokia today, looking ahead with confidence. The year is 2024, and Nokia is back. Not just with a whimper of nostalgia, but with a roar of innovation. The company has re-entered the mobile phone market, this time with a focus on affordability, durability, and sustainability. The iconic 3310 has been resurrected, a nostalgic nod to simpler times, while new smartphones equipped with cutting-edge technology are capturing the attention of a new generation. Nokia's journey is a testament to the power of resilience, of adapting to a changing world without losing sight of one's core strengths. It's a story of second chances, of rising from the ashes stronger and wiser. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. Nokia, the once and future king of mobile, is here to stay.